Dave from DRD Allotments. Welcome down to the allotment. I've had a video for a while, so to give you a little idea of progress what we've done. So I'll switch over cameras and I'll give you a little bit of a tour. Okay, we've done some changes in our shed. That's fallen down. Pulled that big metal thing out there. Eventually this back end we're going to knock out and just have a smaller shed. Yeah, so it's all tied up. Got the pallet collars and some topsoil over there we've been getting from the next door, so we'll put some topsoil underneath. We'll put the covers over. So when I'm on holiday week after next, we're going to get some compost, top them up with compost, take the covers off. It needs to be ready for planting. I've got a couple of more to make down for here, this section. We've got some gooseberry bushes to go in over there. Then that plastic is going to get brought down and fingered over, so that'll take that up to there. This is a plastic path in. This part we're going to dig over and we're going to put potatoes in. And that's basically it. Oh, up there we've got a rhubarb. That's starting to grow. There's an apple tree over up there going to grow. But as I say, topsoil over there. We've still got a lot more topsoil to come. Lad next door's given us, so there, got a little bit dumped there. So, but I've got a hole here to fill in, so that'll do that. Swing back around here, over here to where the thingy is. Pile this is where all my wood is to get rid of, burn when I get the chance. So that's it. So hope you liked that little video. Please don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll give you another update when we come down probably next week. Maybe showing you filling one of these things up when I get them built with the topsoil and all that, and eventually some little videos of we're planting. So bye for now, so catch you later.